I am now in central Afghanistan's Bamiyan province. The temperature here has reached minus 25 degrees centigrade now. According to Afghanistan Ministry of Disaster Management and Humanitarian Affairs, the chilly weather has already claimed hundreds of lives in this war-torn country. Since the first week of January, the temperature fell down to minus 30 degrees centigrade in some mountainous area in this country. The soaring price of the burning wood and coal caused by the U.S. sanction has made this winter even more suffering for the locals.
Following the withdrawal of the U.S.-led forces from the Asian country, Afghanistan's assets worth more than $9 billion were frozen by the United States as part of its sanctions on the new ruler of the war-torn country. Living in a cave-turned shelter next to the Buddha site in Bamiyan, Zarif blamed the tough winter life on the U.S. sanctions.
بله تحریم است دیگه پول اینجا بالا است دیگه ما نمیتونیم امکانات چیز نداریم از پیش خوب بود چپ سر 50 روپیه 40 روپیه بود امسال در 90 روپیه رسیده.
In Afghanistan, 7 kilograms of coal will cost 100 Afghani now, and the price of 7 kilograms of wood is 90 Afghani.
تحریم امریکا 90% تاثیرات داشته برای ما 90%.
And as a cave dweller, Nadir Hussain also blamed the U.S. for his suffering.
همه چی تحریم‌های امریکا برای ما بسیار سخت گذشته به خاطر که ما هم چی بیکاری آماده هم قیمتی آماده دیگه چی وضعی از ما مردم به تحریم امریکا بسیار خراب کرده مالی.
In addition to the soaring prices, the sanctions have made it difficult for humanitarian aid to reach this ravaged country, since they have further worsened the already broken economy of cash-strapped Afghanistan.
هغه داسې تکلیف پیش کړی دی یعنی دا هغه تکلیف ورته پیش دی چې کومې کومکونه دوی درولي دي نو دلته په دغه وخت کې یعنی خاص کر په د ژمي په وخت کې د خلک کومک ته ډیر ضرورت لري او په دې وخت کې د خلکو د کومکونه ګرځولي دي نو خلک د دې تکلیف سره مخامخ دي.